Hello children, today I am going to share with you another very beautiful story. The name of the story is The Foolish Cats. One evening, two cats found a large piece of bread. One of the cats immediately picked it up. The other cat tried to snatch it. Second cat said, "It is my bread. I saw it first." But the first cat argued, "It is mine. I picked it up." Like that, they started quarreling. A monkey came to settle among themselves. The cats told him the entire story. They wanted him to do justice. The monkey said, "Give me the bread." He cut it into two parts. He weighed it down in a balance. It didn't balance. Then he ate a portion of big half and weighed it. It didn't balance. He again ate a portion of big half and like that, the monkey ate the entire bread. Finish, both the innocent cats realized their foolishness. The moral of the story is, we shouldn't quarrel among ourselves. Thank you.